Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to edit the channel pages on this TV. So for this, simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Then select the option general and privacy. Select parental settings. So first of all, we need to enable this option apply channel log. Okay. Then tap on the option channel log settings. Now just wait for a few seconds. Here it will list down all the channels. Okay, so to edit the channel page, first of all select the channel. Then at the right side you can see some options. You can change the channel number, we can delete the channel from this TV, we can log, then we can restore the Samsung TV Plus. Okay, so now you can see, now here I selected the channel Mr. Bean animated and the channel number is 1274. Now simply here I am going to change the channel number. Tap on this one. You can move this position. Now you can see we moved this one and also the number is changed. Channel number is changed. And we can delete, we can log, we can restore and tap on the option save and exit. So simply in this way we can edit the channel pages on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.